Understanding, a sliding scale, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, a sliding scale. This phrase is not only interesting but also very useful in various contexts. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. A sliding scale is a phrase used to describe a system or method where the price, rate, or level of something changes according to a particular factor. It's often used in contexts where fees or charges are adjusted based on someone's income, ability to pay, or other criteria. For example, some health clinics use a sliding scale to determine the cost of services based on a patient's income. To get a better grasp, let's look at some examples. Healthcare. The clinic's fees are based on a sliding scale, so lower-income patients pay less for their treatment. Education. Tuition fees at the school operate on a sliding scale, depending on the family's financial situation. Services. Many legal firms offer services on a sliding scale to make legal help more accessible. Understanding the concept of a sliding scale is important because it reflects a fair and equitable approach in various sectors. It shows sensitivity to people's differing financial situations and promotes accessibility and fairness. One common misunderstanding is that a sliding scale always means lower prices. However, it's important to remember that the scale can slide up or down, meaning prices can increase or decrease based on the set criteria. Try to use a sliding scale in your conversations. For instance, when discussing fairness in services or fees, you could say, "I think a sliding scale would be a fair way to determine the cost for everyone." We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, a sliding scale, and how you can use it in your daily English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this new phrase in your conversations.